हेलो यार, आधा घंटे में एग्जाम है, जल्दी से कोई यूट्यूब का चैनल बता दो जिससे मैं पढ़ लूँ।
हेलो भाई, एनपीटीईएल का लेक्चर लगा ले, कति मस्त पढ़ाते हैं, कभी भूलेगा नहीं कसम से।
ठीक है ठीक है।
1920s budget is also very important budget for the middle class people, for the scheduled caste people, scheduled tribe people, OBC people, for the farmers, and this budget is also very nice budget. And this is also the challenge of the Rahul Gandhi and opposition, because this budget he will be win Narendra Modi in the 2019. And therefore this budget is a very nice budget, and my party Republican Party of India supported this budget.